My family has been making a lot of cocktails and mocktails lately, and one of the things we are always running out of is tonic water. I've been buying bottles and bottles of it, and either you get too large of a bottle and it loses its fizz, or you get too small of a bottle and you run out really fast. So I have ordered a soda stream, and I want to put this tonic syrup to the test because all tonic water is carbonated water or club soda with tonic syrup. So let's make some tonic water. I am just gonna do this to taste, though it does have clear recipes on the side as well. Adding in my club soda to start. And yes, this is just club soda. And I'm not gonna do too much. I just wanna see if I can make a delicious tonic water. Now I'm gonna add the tonic syrup. Oh, that smells really good. Now all tonic water usually is just sugar and quinine concentrate. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that is the standard taste that you taste with tonic water. But this also has lemongrass and orange peel. So it's gonna have a little more nuance. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in here. And I'm gonna give it a good stir just to make sure it's all mixed up. That is really good. It's exactly what I want my tonic water to taste like. I love that I can control the flavor of tonic syrup to club soda to really customize my mixed drinks. And while the lemongrass and orange peel is very light, I feel like I can taste that nuance. There's just a little bit more to this than a standard tonic water, and that's just amazing. I definitely recommend giving this tonic syrup a try. This is impressive.